Hello, I'm Parvathi Benu and welcome to Straight Up by EdexLive. The Tamil Nadu government has convened an all-party meeting on the 8th of January to discuss the course of action on their fight against the National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test. The state's Chief Minister M.K. Stalin said this in the Assembly on Thursday, interestingly at the same time as when the Supreme Court is hearing the NEET PG counselling issue. An assembly bill with regards to Tamil Nadu's demand for exception from NEET is pending with the centre. At the same time, an all-party delegation from the ruling party DMK under Lok Sabha member T.R. Balu was trying to seek an audience with Union Home Minister Amit Shah on the 5th of January. But they weren't able to do so, the CM claimed, adding that the centre had not acted on the TN Assembly bill which was seeking exemption from NEET. Stalin also extended an appeal to all the political parties who have representation in the assembly to lend their support and cooperate in this issue which concerns the students of the state, especially those who come from rural backgrounds. Based on the decision to be taken in the upcoming NEET and recollecting how unanimously the assembly bill against NEET was passed in the House in September. However, the bill which was sent to Governor of Tamil Nadu had not been forwarded to President of India, even though the CM had personally taken up the matter. We are yet to find out what will happen in the NEET issue. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do not forget to like and share and to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, follow us on social media. We will see you again tomorrow.